हेलो। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मोहम्मद व आले मोहम्मद। ये जी बैक टेस्टिंग सेशन है आज 16 जनवरी का है और मैं इधर ट्रेड लेने लगा हूँ। अगर इसके बाद देख लेंगे ब्रेक डाउन। अब कर दूंगा एक दफ़ा ये ट्रेड हो जाए, उसके बाद सारा लॉजिक पता चल जाए। ट्रेड के अंदर ही हूँ मैं। और ये जी हमने नहीं लिया अभी तक। रीसेंट रीसेंट आई नहीं लिया। ये जो पर्पल कलर का है ना, ये ये फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड पे वैल्यू के 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, समझ आ गई। और मैं होल्ड ही करूंगा। अच्छा, हमने नहीं ना लिया। नहीं लिया जी, नहीं लिया। विवेक के हम अच्छा, मैं होल्ड ही करूंगा। $2 इज द टारगेट। और जी ये टारगेट हिट हो गया, ठीक है। अच्छा, पहली बात तो ये, एक सेकेंड, वो किधर होता है वो टाइपर? टाइपर इसमें है ही नहीं। क्यों नहीं है अभी? ये रहा। पहली बात तो ये है कि मैंने होल्ड क्यों मैं तो इंग्लिश में बना रहा था। वाई डिड आई होल्ड द ट्रेड फर्स्ट? ठीक है। सेकंड, इसके बाद वी विल टॉक अबाउट द लॉजिक बिहाइंड द ट्रेड। ओके, द रीजन बिहाइंड नॉट setting the SL to its break even there was a smooth highs up there. It was because we were on the higher time frame bearish. Okay, first reason. Second reason, we didn't take the low. As you can see, I was talking about this at that time, that we haven't taken this low. And one of the reason, uh, in these cases, when we haven't took the low and we retrace up or we go up, it is a sign that there is more chances to go down. It will take this low, the price will take this low, uh, because it's making the smooth lows down there. These lows, then these, this and this, and then this. It didn't took this low and we retraces up into the breaker or whatever it is, and then we break down. Now let's talk about the reason behind this trade. Okay, and uh, how market is moving on the monthly chart. As you can see, these are there's this monthly wick. Okay, and I highlighted its quarters, 50%, and its upper quarter and its lower quarter, and this is also a wick. Okay, monthly chart. And on the weekly chart, the black lines are the white lines are monthly and the black lines are weekly, and the purple and mixed color is daily or 4 hour. Okay, I was trying to set this aside. Okay, we touch the lower CE of the monthly weekly wick, which is in premium, in extreme premium. Okay, and we went lower. On the daily chart, there is no PDRA. Now let's talk about the 4 hour. The main story will start here. Things will start popping up more clearly. Yeah. On the 4 hour chart, this is the uh, range, 50%. 4 hour. I'm back. So on the 4 hour chart, 4 hour chart, we were in premium. This is the 50% of the 4 hour range, and above this range it's premium, and below this range it's discount. And as you know, as a smart money traders, that we in premium we should look for a bearish scenario. And as I said before, there should be at least 2 to 3 reasons to take a trade. So there shouldn't be there shouldn't be like this, okay, that we are above the 4 hour range and now we should be selling. No, That's a reason. Okay, that's one reason. The second reason is we touched the CE, the lower half of the weekly wick, and we went lower. And then we touched the upper quarter and we went lower. It's a bearish sign. We're respecting the upper quarter of something and breaking the structure. It's a very bearish sign. Even if we are going to go back to the bullish side, it's going to retrace down, at least into, in my knowledge, at least into this 4 hour 50% or this CE of the daily. Okay, and today there was two news, 8 a.m, 8:30, and 9:45 news, and I highlighted the 8:30 candle, and let's highlight the 9:45 a.m. So yeah, I think that's, and on 4 hour you can see that we went up, and yeah, same story as on the highest time frame. And this was the first presented fair value gap. After the first presented fair value gap, I wait for the news, and then after this break in market structure, let me take this break in market structure, which first presented 1 hour 1 minute first presented fair value gap. I entered on this, and entry was with two reasons. There was not like I would say three. First presented fair value gap, breaker, or it's not a breaker, it's a break in MS. Breaker is this was the breaker. Okay, what's the breaker is, which took the previous high, previous liquidity, and then break the structure. Okay, it was not a breaker. So break in MS, and the third reason is weekly wick lower quarter. Okay, so wait the TP. Let's see the price action after it, our price trade after it. Let's change the time frame. Is the 5 minute first presented fair value gap, is it formed yet? Yes, it is formed. Yes, this is the first present. It's a bit small. I don't like this. It's not a first presented fair value gap. I won't consider it as a first presented fair value gap. Even if it is, it's not a good first presented fair value gap. Okay, we went above the range, and if we break low, I would like to see, if we went low, this I'd like to see going into the 50% of the 4 hour. We went lower, and we are in the upper, and we're going up. Okay, not a good price action. Okay, ah, what's, hang on. Dirty price action. I'm glad that I look for a trade after the news, not after like 40 minutes or an hour after the news. Now I'm thinking I think we should be going lower this, but it's not a good first presented fair value gap. It's not, it's a very small first presented fair value gap, but it is a first presented fair value gap. When this was the session of backtesting. I might show the after screenshots. This is the before side, and before MS and table back lower and all that. So I will now I will post highlight the quarters, all the PDF rays, and journal it. So yeah, that was the session. That was the backtesting session for today. Okay, Allah Hafiz.